Hi friend, welcome to my channel. Let's draw Super Mario Bros. Together. Are you ready? Let's start. Sketch a large ellipse for the nose. Starting from the nose, make the outline of the eye with a semicircle inside it. Then draw an ellipse for the pupil, the eyebrow, and the second eye. Now, draw the mustache by making small semicircles. Wow! Our design is already taking shape! Now draw two lines for the mouth. Start shaping the head by drawing the visor above the eyebrows. A circle in the center. And draw the letter M. Now, starting from the visor, make the outline of the face and draw the ears. Trace the outline of the head, like an arch connecting the ears. Draw two rectangles for the overall straps and two circles for the buttons. Now, draw the line of the overalls plus the shoulders. Our friend Mario turned out great! Well done! Now let's take the colors. Black for the eyebrows and mustache. Use light blue for the iridescent of the eye. Blue for the pupils and the overalls. Use pink for the face and yellow for the buttons. Now take the red and color the shirt, the hat, and the letter M. Finally, add brown in the hair. Good job! Our Super Mario Bros. Is ready for a new adventure! Goodbye, my friends, see you soon!